I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you solution of practice test questions on writing quadratic equations from given set of zeros. Question is, find the quadratic equation in the form of f of x equals to ax squared plus bx plus c for set of zeros as minus 5 plus minus 7 divided by 4. As you know, general formula for the roots of quadratic equation is x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now if you compare the given roots with the general formula, you can find the corresponding values for a, b and c. Once you get those values, you get your equation also. So that is the strategy which we are going to adopt to find the standard equation from the given roots. You can actually pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Now the given roots are, so we have roots given as minus 5 plus minus square root of 7 divided by 4. So if you compare, what do you notice? You say 2a is 4, right? So we can write 2a equals to 4. That means a is equals to 4 over 2, and that is 2. So we get one value. Let me clearly write down this value as a equals to 2, right? So we found the leading coefficient. Now let's compare the next value, which is minus b. So we have minus b equals to minus 5, and that means b is equals to 5, right? So b equals to 5 is the next value. To find c, we have to use the term within the square root. Within the square root, you will notice that we have 7 here, and b square minus 4ac. That means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 7. Now what is b? b is 5, a is 2. Let us substitute these values here. So we get 5 square minus 4 times a is 2 times c is equals to 7, or 25 minus 8c equals to 7. Now we can solve for c. We have 25 minus 7 equals to 8c. So when you take away 7 from 25, what do you get? 8, right? Plus 1, 18, 10. So 18 is equals to 8c. From here, c is equals to 18 over 8, which could be simplified. Dividing both by 2, we get 9 over 4. Right? So that is the value of c. So let me write down c as equals to 9 over 4. So now we know a, b and c. In this equation, we can substitute these values, write down the function. So we have function f of x equals to a is 2, 2x squared, b is 5 plus 5x, c is 9 over 4. But it's always better to write this equation in without fractions. So we'll just multiply everything by 4, right? So in that case, what do you get? You get 8x squared plus 20x plus 9. So that becomes the equation which will have same roots as given to us, right? Now a question for you. When I multiplied by 4 and I wrote this equation, I'm saying roots for this and this are same. How can you verify that? Well, that's a question for you to think. Thank you and all the best.